Alright everyone, today is the day. I have given you a week time to participate in this postcard lottery, and yeah, we had some last minute entries this morning, but now I have to put an end to it and actually go through with the lottery. So hopefully if you wanted to participate, you already did. Before we start, I actually wanted to say something because, and this probably seems very, very silly to you guys watching, and in hindsight, yeah, it does seem a little bit silly, but okay, so here's the thing. So remember when I said I ordered these from Canva? These postcards that I designed myself? Well, the minimum order requirement on Canva for these was 10. So I don't only have 5, I actually have 10 of these. But I decided to say I didn't say I only had 5, I said I was gonna give away 5, was because I was honestly worried I wouldn't even get 5 people participating. And now I think I have 157 comments in total, and you might think, and like most of these people are participating, I would say like 95% of these people indicated they wanted to participate, and you're probably thinking like, wow, that's so silly, why would you not think even 5 people would participate? I don't know myself, but genuinely when I posted that video, I was actually really worried that I wouldn't even get 5 people participating. So that's why I said 5 and not 10, because I was like, surely there's not gonna be even 10 people interested in this. But yeah, that's why I've just been overwhelmed by the number of people who actually wanted to take part. And I mean, who doesn't like a free gift anyways? But yeah, it's just been crazy, and you guys have left such kind, lovely, supportive messages along with saying you wanted to participate, and I can't thank you enough. It really warmed my heart, and it honestly, it makes what I do worth it, just reading those kinds of like very genuinely kind comments that you guys leave. It boosts your spirit, and it like makes you feel more dedicated and enthusiastic about, you know, making content, because of course, you know, it feels nice to be appreciated and supported like you guys have been towards me and my channel. So yeah, this is my thanks to you once again for reaching 20,000 subscribers on my channel. Couldn't have done it without you. And yeah, without further ado, let's pick now the 10 winners, so double the amount that originally I was gonna do. So I'm on this website called commentpicker.com/YouTube. So here you can like put in a video URL link, and then this website will randomly go through the comments and just select one at random. So that's what we're gonna do 10 times. So, oh, I'm so nervous. And again, I'm really, really sorry if this random thing doesn't pick you. I honestly want to send one of these to everybody that participated, because you guys are all so nice to me, and really it would make me so happy to send one to everyone, but unfortunately it's just a little bit outside my budget. So yeah, I really apologize not being able to send one to everybody, but yeah, let's pick the lucky 10 now. So let's click start. All right. So the first one is Katrina Jessala. Here, let's see if I can show this. Actually, you know what? It's easier to just take a screenshot. What am I doing? So this first postcard goes to Katrina Jessala. Your comment was, I love to participate. I love your videos. I'm a big fan of yours since I study the Finnish language. Your videos help me a lot. I'm a Filipino working here in Nurmes, Finland. More subscribers this year. Congratulations. Thank you so much. And this postcard will be going to you. Stay tuned to the end of the video to know how to contact me in order to claim your prize, please. So just stay tuned and go to the end of the video to hear the instructions for that. AJ Bonema. The comment says, nice and congratulations on reaching that limit. Of course I will participate, although I do feel kind of sort of awkward as you have to send it abroad. Hope it's not too expensive. Kiitos. Don't worry, AJ. Sending postcards is not that expensive. I think it's like €2 per postmark stamp. If it's a package, obviously it's more expensive, but postcards are okay, so don't feel worried about that. Okay, so the next winner is Nicola Storgado. And Nicola says, moi moi, I really want to participate. Your videos are so useful and you're such a great teacher. Fingers crossed and cheers from Italy. So your fingers crossed paid off. So Nicola, you'll be receiving one of these postcards. Thank you so much for your kind comment. The next one is a user called Blink Francisco. Your comment says, congratulations on reaching 20k. I want to participate in your giveaway. Keep us to more helpful videos. So congrats to you. You're the next winner. Okay, moving on. The next one goes to Saraswati. So this user says, congratulations for your achievements. I wish you achieve more in the years ahead, and I really want to participate in the giveaway. If I'm selected, I really want your signature in the postcard. Already subscribed, good luck. So yeah, thank you so much for your kind comment, and yeah, this will be coming your way. All right, 5 down, 5 more to go now. These are the extra 5, so you're the extra lucky people. Okay, the next one goes to a user named Chloe Vela Garcia. Chloe says, congrats for your 20k. I really like your channel. It helps me a lot when I don't understand something in Finnish. Thank you for everything, and your card is adorable. I love it. I would love to participate in your giveaway. So thank you so much, Chloe, and yeah, you're one of the winners. Next up, the random winner is Fernando Marquez. Fernando says, hi, this is my first time I write you. Thank you for making your first comment on my channel. I have started to watch your channel when it has less than 1,000 subs. Wow, you've been here a long time. Thank you so much. I really like Finnish culture since I watched Garpi and Sorjonen, Netflix Finnish series. Congratulations, I really enjoyed your videos, and at the same time I practiced my English listening. My greetings from Argentina, the end of the world. I guess PS, I would like to participate, please include me. So this one, I guess, is going to Argentina. Okay, 3 more. Okay, so the next one is Walter Reed. The comment says, how fun, count me in. So lucky you. Number 8 goes to you. Okay, number 9 goes to a user called Tarun Bishop. The comment says, I would love to participate. Glad you reached 20k subscribers. Your Finnish videos have really helped me, and it's always fun to hear your life updates. Kiitos, smiley face. So that one's going to you. Okay, and the last lucky winner is P.432. And this person says, I've been following you since your days in Scotland. Wow. Your channel has been helpful over the years since there aren't many channels on YouTube teaching about the Finnish language and culture. Thanks for your efforts over these years, and congratulations on your achievement. I also selfishly want to participate in the giveaway as well. Don't feel like you're being selfish. I really appreciate that you want to participate, because now I have more than 5 comments wanting to participate. So yeah. All right, so those were the 10 postcards that I will be sending to you. Also, I think for some reason I have 11 here. I just realized this now because I ordered 10, but there's accidentally one extra one. This extra one I would like to give to the user, off the top of my head, I can only think of you as Iron Salty, Eugene. He sent me like a month or so ago a package. I don't know, maybe if you follow me on Instagram you would have known about this. He sent me a bunch of these pins, not a bunch, 2 of these pins. that he made and had some spare copies of, I guess. And he sent Sydney a bunch of presents as well that she's still enjoying. So as a thank you for the package you sent me, I'd like to give this random extra number 11 one to use as a thank you for the presents that you've sent me. So yes, here's what to do if you're one of the people that I mentioned that I would like to send a postcard to. Please send me an email to the email address on the screen of this video, and only to the email address on the screen of this video. If anyone else tries to contact you, whether it be via email, whether it be via YouTube comment, whether it be via Telegram, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, whatever else social media, don't reply to them, don't give out your information, certainly do not pay anybody. I'm paying for shipping, nobody else is, so please only send your details to the email address on this YouTube screen. Nowhere else, okay? Nowhere else. KatChats@outlook.com, and check the spelling of that, and be careful where you're sending your information to, okay? I'm not going to be asking for details via comments or anywhere else. Just listen to what I say from my mouth on this YouTube video, okay? But yeah, send me an email there, and please include your username, your YouTube username that you used to write the comment on my video. So include that, and please also include your mailing address where you would like this postcard to be mailed to, or to be sent to. So include those two informations. I feel like my English is really bad right now. Please include those two pieces of information. So your YouTube username and your postal address where you would like the postcard to be sent to. And yeah, I hope to hear from all 11, I guess, of you very soon. Congratulations again to the winners. And if you didn't win this time, I'm really sorry. I do want to send one to everyone. It's actually really fun for me as well, going through and reading all your comments, just because, you know, usually on my videos there's a couple of people that tend to comment on all my videos, or a lot of them, so I recognize their usernames and their profile pictures, and I really appreciate them. But it was kind of interesting to hear from so many new people that I'd never seen their profile picture or their usernames, and it just reminded me, like, wow, there is actually a lot of people watching my videos. It's not like a handful of 20 people. Like, there is more than that. But yeah, it just kind of solidified, because it was really interesting kind of reading comments like why you've subscribed or how it's helped you. So I don't know, it made me feel closer to my community as well. So yeah, I hope you appreciate this little postcard lottery, and yeah, maybe I'll do one again at some point if there is interest in it. So yeah, I guess that's enough of this. I've really gone on forever. Thank you so much again for all your support, and yeah, let's continue. I'll continue trying to make good Finnish content for you guys, and I'll see you mun seuraavassa videossa. Eli moikka!